Benny. Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, that was so cute. Give us another one. Yeah. Oh God, yeah. Yes. Our little kitty seeing birds. Yeah.
And even her nose wrinkles up, like vertically.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good little girl. Yeah, you see all those birdies out there. You say, we want to see murmuration. Come on. We know you can do it.
You would like go crazy with
Yeah.
murmuration.
Yeah. Imagine murmuration. Yeah. Maybe you even see a brown-headed cowbird. Yeah. You say, get out of here, brown-headed cowbird. I'll eat you up.